Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Anissa Rafida dari kelas PBI 5A dengan NIM 2302020025. Pada kesempatan kali ini, pertama-tama saya ingin mengucapkan apresiasi dan terima kasih kepada Kak Altaf yang telah berkenan mengizinkan saya untuk mengomentari serta merekam jalannya seminar proposal beliau. Kesempatan ini menjadi pengalaman berharga bagi saya untuk belajar dan mengamati secara langsung proses pelaksanaan seminar proposal secara akademik dan formal.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable MDP SPDI SS as the head for SSMU as the head for examiner today. The Honorable Ma'am Amalia Yahya SAMU as the first supervisor, and the Honorable Ma'am Siti Hartina SPD MPD as the second supervisor. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Alkap as the present today for examine. As the presenter today for examine proposal. Examine proposal. So we don't wasting much time. Let me present my examiner proposal today with the title is Enhancing Students Vocabulary Mastery through Instagram. Mastery through Instagram Reels at SMPIT Insan Madani. Of English language learning, and the study aims to examine how the use of Instagram Reels can help students master vocabulary. However, students at SMPIT Insan Madani have difficulty surrounding text or context of use due to traditional teaching methods that do not actively engage students. Instagram Reels is expected to address or reduce these problems. Instagram Reels can be an innovative alternative because it combines text, audio, and short videos that attract students' attention, which is in line with their digital habits. The research question: does the use of Instagram Reels enrich the vocabulary of students at SMP Insan Madani Polopo? The objective of the research: can the use of Instagram Reels improve the English vocabulary acquisition of students at SMP Insan Madani Polopo? The next significance of the research: theoretical significance, and the second practical significance. Next, the study focuses on the use of Instagram Reels as a digital medium to improve the English vocabulary of students at SMP Insan Madani Polopo. The study is limited to 8th grade students and specifically targets vocabulary questions as a primary language skill. The study does not cover other language skills such as reading, speaking, listening, or writing. It also limits the use of technology to Instagram Reels only, without exploring the effects of other social media platforms or ICT tools in the learning process. Mutmainna research the effectiveness of Instagram in improving student reading comprehension at SMAN 4 Polopo. Providing that Instagram posts increase student reading engagement and provide a fun learning environment. The study use qualitative design. Puspita using a quantitative pre-experimental design with pre and post-test content presented in Indonesian by English creator helps students understand meaning easily and encourage consistent vocabulary practice.
Oh, dibikin ito.
In these pertinent ideas, vocabulary enable vocabulary learning strategies, flipped classroom.
Just mention how many pertinent ideas. There are blah 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 pertinent ideas that I have. So just skip it. Okay, in conceptual framework.
And then the conceptual framework. You can look the picture. Concept framework, teaching English vocabulary, then Instagram reels, and improve vocabulary mastery in able learners. Chapter 3, method of research. In this method, the research use the quantitative method, which is a pre-experimental method. Time and place of the research. The research we conduct research in 2025 at SMP Insan Madani. Instrument of the research in the study, the research will use in the study the researcher will use a vocabulary test as the main instrument to assess students vocabulary mastery before and after the treatment. The test will be conducted into stage, pre-test and post-test. Producer of collecting data. Procedure of collecting data. The first pre-test stage, second treatment stage, and the last post-class activity. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. There was the presentation from Alkap. Now,
Langsung saja bagian pertama. Pada bagian opening, salam pembukaan dan perkenalan masih menunjukkan kurangnya persiapan. Hal ini terlihat dari presenter yang masih tertawa saat melakukan kesalahan, sehingga mengurangi kesan profesional dalam forum akademik. Contohnya adalah kesalahan dalam penyebutan titel dosen pembimbing serta penulisan titel di PowerPoint yang juga tidak tepat. Selain itu, pengucapan atau pronunciation beberapa istilah akademik masih kurang jelas sehingga perlu diperbaiki agar pesan dapat tersampaikan dengan baik. Selanjutnya, pada saat pembacaan judul terdapat kesalahan pronunciation di mana